Has your child been diagnosed with a heart murmur? What is a heart murmur? Murmur is an extra sound in addition to the typical lub-dub noises of the heart valves opening and closing. Luckily, in pediatrics, most heart murmurs are innocent, meaning they don't require any intervention or treatments. About 50% of children at one point or another will be diagnosed with a murmur. The concern comes when the murmur comes from a structural issue such as a leaky valve or a hole in the heart. That's why you should see a pediatric cardiologist if your child has been diagnosed with a murmur.